Hi teacher, hi class. I'm going to talk about modern life. The modern life technology and new ways of working transform business and productivity. Objectives. General objective. Higher productivity is a result of better and more optimal process manual work and man hours are reducing errors and increasing the productivity of each from the workers. Specific objectives. Implement technology of workers and that they can use this technology to carry out all their movements without leaving home or workplace. Make alliances with companies dedicated to online sales, develop and evaluate quality indicators. Justification. This new way of sharing learning is becoming increasingly important in the work of education and work environments. Therefore, it is necessary to provide educational institutions with the tools, resources, and training necessary so that the human talent involved in this process can know what where, why, and how to use them. Therefore, the beneficiaries of said implementation will be the entire educational community and improve productivity in the workplace. Advantage. Streaming process. One of the advantages of technology is the ease with which the superdense process that in ancient times took hours or many days. Today, with so many equipment and machinery, these processes are done in a matter of minutes. Let use to that thanks to technology, communication is now direct and instantaneous smooth, which allows many companies to develop their process, send and receive information directly, which gives greater mobility to projects and functions with the business. Increases efficiency. Thanks to the shortness of the process and the communication, it is possible to take a more direct control of the process and correct them in an almost automatic way, which improves the efficiency of the work. It generates new opportunity. Opening doors is one of the best things that technology has brought. Use thanks to it, great companies such as Google, Facebook, or Apple have been created, which keep up to date, renewing the way of doing business. Generate new job opportunities. Not everything ends when you find in mobile business ideas. Technology has also changed the way of finding new talent, thanks to the fact that today many people tend to seek employment through these means. Disadvantage. The disadvantage attention is required. One of the disadvantages is that new techniques require monitoring. Science without it, system can fight and can stop all production. Simple put, they require maintenance. The other disadvantage and investment is required. The investment required at this point is usually high and certain process and maintenance point can be high, adding that it also increases the energy consumption of the company. It can be distracting. The use of technology at work opens aspects. They use technology at work open aspects to the other opinions such as wandering and procrastinating in work hours. Therefore, Several companies have opted to the option of prohibiting the use of application or social networks outside the company, but it is that the best opinion. So, it's good or bad for the job. During the last point, we touched on the idea of how technology connects use and disadvantage and disadvantage of its use in our workplaces. But let's be honest, everything in this world is good or bad. It all depends on how we decide to apply it, control it, and guide you. There is no doubt that technology is a strong drive for the development, maintenance, and operation of the company as monsters of today have shown use. Thank you.